God made birds. On day one of the creation week, God made the heavens. On day two, He created the sky around the earth. It was not until day 5 of creation that God made birds to fly in the sky. Some birds that God created are big. An albatross can have a wingspan that is nearly 12 feet long. This bird can fly 50 miles per hour. Imagine riding in your car, going 50 miles per hour, and seeing an albatross flying just outside your window. God also made small birds. Some hummingbirds weigh less than 4 U.S. quarters. Hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Can you flap your arms that fast? These birds get their name from the humming sound their flapping wings make. Hummingbirds are the only birds in the world that can fly backwards. God made some birds with the ability to fly thousands of miles every year. The bar-tailed godwit can fly over 7,000 miles in 9 days without stopping. This little shore bird weighs less than a common stapler. Yet it can fly from Alaska to New Zealand without taking a break for food, water, or rest. God also gave birds an amazing sense of direction. Without help from a map, a compass, or even a parent, birds can fly thousands of miles without getting lost. Arctic terns can fly from Antarctica all the way back to where they hatched a year earlier in the Arctic. Evolution cannot explain how a bird soars, stretching his wings towards the south. The turtle dove and the swift and the thrush observe the time of their migration because God is the creator of them all. Woodpeckers are amazing examples of God's design. They can bang their beak against the tree 40 times in 3 seconds. God created the woodpecker with extra tissue between its beak and its head. This tissue works as a shock absorber. It keeps the woodpecker from hurting itself as it drills into trees in search of food. The tail feathers of a woodpecker are also very important. God designed these stiff feathers to help give the bird support while pecking. Birds have some of the most useful and colorful tails of any animal. Peacocks have long, pretty tail feathers. God designed eagles to be able to fly high in the sky. Pilots have seen eagles fly as high as 10,000 feet in the air. The main flying feathers of an eagle can grow to be 20 inches long. The kiwi bird is a flightless bird that lives in New Zealand. The mowley fowl is a chicken-sized bird that lives in Australia. Mowley fowl build nests on the ground. Their nests are often bigger than your room. God created mowley fowl with the ability to keep their eggs in the nest at 92 degrees. This is the perfect temperature for the unhatched baby birds to grow. Birds are amazing animals with remarkable abilities. They are wonders of God's creation.